Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can mute Discord servers as well as like accounts, as I said as well already. Anyways, to mute a server, you can just right click on the server here and then select mute server for 15 minutes, for an hour, for 3 hours, or until you turn it back on. You can also adjust the notification settings as well. For instance, nothing. I usually mute all of my servers. Then to mute people, just right click on their account. This is just a bot, but you can select mute here. And basically, actually, you're just going to go to your chat and then mute them there. I'm not going to go to my chats right now, but you're going to mute them there. So when they send a message, you can't hear the notification sound, but when they call, you'll still be able to hear it unless you are on stream. You're on stream mode, yeah. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done that already, if you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.